shit! China actually spent 12 years building a railway in the largest desert. 5-10 miles of seamless connectivity. It is the Heruo Railway located in the Taklamakan Desert. It is the world's first circular railway around the desert. This has completely ended the history of the fifth line train in southern Xinjiang being inaccessible. What's even more shocking is that there is not even a single gap in the 510-mile-long railway track. Although the railway length is not long, it crosses the Sea of Death. 75% of the road section is mobile desert. Sandstorms are often encountered during construction. It also has to pass through a devilish area with no water, no electricity, and no man's land. Construction is very difficult. Foreign experts say this is an impossible project, but China relies on the world's unique lock welding technology. Building railways on one side, build a green sand fixation barrier on the other side. A total of more than 500 million square feet of grass grids have been constructed. Nearly 13 million trees were planted and built a 38-mile sand bridge. Turn the Sea of Death into a ring of hope. This miracle of railway engineering that shocked the world was born. I have to sigh. Dare to build a railway in the desert. I am afraid that only China in the world can accomplish this.